Are you feeding Barkley? Or are you feeding yourself? Julian, is that good? Don't throw it on the ground. Julian. His little cheeks. Oh. Oh. Is that good, Julian? What'd you do? Oh. Is that good? Hey, Julian, look at Mama. Look at Mama. Julian, hey. Julian, is that good? Is that good? Show Mama. We're gonna show Daddy. Show me what you do with that. Good thing we bought the healthy weight one, huh? Uh-oh, you gonna fight with Barkley? You don't want to let Barkley have any? Give some to Barkley. Are you gonna share with Barkley? Mad at Barkley? See if you can see how you're grabbing. Pushing him away. That's Barkley's food, Julian. You know how I always tell him to get away from you when you're eating? Okay, are we done?